Toyota's Halo sports car, the 2023 GR Supra, delivers enough excitement, style, and drama to make up for the brand's more sedated sedans, hatchbacks, and SUVs. The entry-level 255 horsepower turbocharged four-cylinder provides ample power, but we can't help but adore the ferocious, optional 382 horsepower turbocharged 3.0-liter BMW inline-six that makes this two-seater fly. Rear-wheel drive is the only setup, and the GR Supra's sure-footed chassis and sharp steering enable it to come alive on twisty roads and race courses. It's a driver's car and an enthusiast's delight, making it a no-brainer for all annual 10 Best Cars list. Toyota, surely spurred by the outcries over the GR Supra's lack of a manual transmission, has added a 6-speed stick to the menu for the 2023 model year. Other changes to the GR Supra lineup for 2023 include revised tuning for the suspension and steering systems and the introduction of a new driving mode called Hairpin Plus, which allows additional wheel spin on one of the rear tires to help rotate the GR Supra around ultra-tight, hairpin turns. The most efficient GR Supra is the one with the turbocharged four-cylinder engine, which earns EPA ratings of 25 miles per gallon city and 32 highway. The driver-focused cockpit is tight, and although the double bubble roof provides some additional headroom, the tallest drivers will feel pinched. A 12-speaker JBL audio system is optional, but we expect the standard 10-speaker audio system will be enough for most buyers, considering the size of the GR Supra's interior. Toyota offers a host of driver assistance features as standard across the GR Supra lineup, including automated emergency braking. Additional features, such as adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring, can be added via the optional Driver's Assist package. We at Car Swagger would like to express our gratitude for your viewership and ask that you show your support by liking this video, as well as subscribing to our channel. Thank you very much and have a great day.